Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Serchan. I'm currently working at RelayPay as a web developer. Before working as a developer, I was working as a pizza maker. At the same time, I was also doing a casual job at Coles. The problem that I was facing is that lack of knowledge and skills that is required to get into an IT industry. For me to get into an IT industry, I finished my study, but I applied for different kind of jobs, different kind of roles, but then I was being rejected from almost every applications. Yeah, so I was even though I applied for different kind of applications, I was rejected mostly because I didn't know what to apply and what were the skills that were actually needed. Um, because IT industry is very huge. Sometimes I was applying for Android as a mobile developer. Sometimes I was applying for web. Sometimes I was applying for software like a backend, front end. So I think that is something was my mistake because I was not sure where to go. Um, at first, I was looking through YouTube tutorials and courses so that I can brush up my skills a bit. But I slowly started realizing that even though you can learn some skills from YouTube or other courses, you still need a person who can guide you so that you can um, grow your skills very soon. Because having a person who can mentor you or guide you can increase the level all the time, or you can also save the time as well. Since I was rejected by different applications, different companies, I thought that maybe there is something lacking in me that was stopping me from getting hired into an IT company. So I was looking for a mentor, for a mentorship, for a person who can guide me to get me a job, to increase my skills as well. So with the reference, I came to know about our Prem Dai. I told him about my problems, my current status, what was going on. So he helped me in a lot of ways. I used to finish my work and then went to his home late and stayed late nights, trying to learn from him. I tried helping him in his projects that I could, so that I can learn and get an industrial experience as well. Um, yeah, so he was the right mentor for me, where he guided me in a good way to get into an IT industry. About the helps, there are different kind of helps that are the ways that he helped me. First, I would definitely say is a technical skill that he helped me to build up on. Since we are doing web development, and then JavaScript is currently at top right now, so we are he helped me to learn all the JavaScript ecosystem on the front end and the back end, so kind of like a full stack web development. And then after learning these skills, technical skills, which is necessary, but also you need to have soft skills that you need, such as how to talk in interviews, so how to chat with the colleagues, how to talk with your clients. So those kind of soft skills which are very, very necessary when you're working in a real IT company. Those are the soft skills that he helped me to learn. uh, yeah, the main reason for company to select me or me to get hired finally was because all the knowledges or the skills that I was lacking previously were building up. And even though I was it doesn't really matter of the visa conditions you are, if either you're permanent or you're full-time or even you're a student, you it, I have found that you can still get up and be hired, even if it's only 20 hours as per your working conditions. But the main factor to get hired is the skills that you need, both the technical and also the soft skills. So um, even being a student, there's a chance that you might get hired if you have the right skills. That's what I've learned. Yes, definitely, I'm very happy to be a developer. um, Ever since starting my course. Back in bachelor's, I was always more into programming. So this was my this has been like a dream come true for me working as a software developer. For those people who are looking to get into IT industry, um, yeah, I will say that just find a right mentor, person who can guide you, who can mentor you in a right way. Even though there are tutorials and courses online you can find, which is good, but still you will need a person so that the rate or the speed of success will be very close, will be very soon. Based on my experiences, I've found that you need a mentorship to guide you so that you can become succeed and also be a real developer. I'm glad that Prem Dai has started Dented Code to help our community grow, especially IT students to find their dream job. If you're really interested to have an IT career like me, I would strongly suggest you to visit Dented Code and talk with Prem Dai, and there you can find your possibilities and the options where you can go on. Okay, I wish you all for your career in IT industry and can't wait to see you succeed. If you need any help or suggestions from me, I'm more than happy to help. Feel free to reach me out in Facebook or Twitter.